After knowing the definition of language, how the language is written, let us discuss functions on languages. Languages are closed under union, intersection, complement, difference, concatenation and clean star. Let us discuss all these functions in detail. Summation is AB and two languages defined over summation AB. L1 consisting of all the strings with an even number of A's. That is, it may have any number of B's, but the number of A's must be even. L2 language consisting of strings with no B's. Strings with no B's, it means all possible strings of A's. Includes epsilon, 1A, 2A, 3A, so on up to any number of A's. On applying the first function, that is union, on these two languages L1 union L2, we get all possible strings with even number of A's and all strings with A's plus strings that contain B's. On applying intersection for L1 and L2, L1 contains even A's, L2 contains all A's. The intersection of this contains even number of A's. L2 minus L1. L2 contains all A's minus L1 contains even A's, then the possible strings in this language will be odd number of A's. And complement of L2 minus L1 will be all the strings with at least one B. Here it is no B's, so its complement will be strings with at least one B union strings with even number of A's. So this is how we can apply the functions on the languages. Concatenation of two languages. If L1 and L2 are languages over summation, then L1, L2 consists of all possible strings of W such that some S belongs to L1, some T belongs to L2 and W is equals to S followed by T. For example, if L1 contains two strings cat and dog, L2 contains two strings apple and pear, then concatenation of L1, L2 gives cat, apple, cat, pear, dog, apple, dog, pear. And if we concatenate L2, L1, we get apple, cat, apple, dog, pear, cat, pear, dog. This is how we go for concatenating two languages over alphabet summation. So some properties on concatenation. Epsilon is the identity for concatenation, that is L, language L concatenated with epsilon is equals to epsilon concatenated with L is equals to L, and null is a 0 for concatenation, that is L concatenated with null is equals to null. Clean star. L star is the language consisting of 0 or more concatenations of strings from L, that is all possible strings of L. For example, if L contains three strings dog, cat and fish, then L star is all possible combinations of this L, that is first epsilon, dog, cat, fish, dog, 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 cat, dog, fish, then fish, cat, fish, fish, dog, dog, fish, cat, and so on. Plus operator. L plus is a language consisting of one or more concatenations of strings from L. How it is different from star? L plus is L concatenated with L star, or L plus can also be defined as L star minus epsilon if and only if epsilon belongs to L. And last, reverse of a language. Reverse of a language, L raised to R, is defined as L raised to R is all possible strings W which belongs to summation star, where W is x raised to R for some x belonging to this particular language.